best.
Muchas otras cosas. Carlos Contreras de Gaspi, bienvenido a este evento, ¿cómo estás?
Gracias por la presentación, Troy, Claudio, Santiago. Pues sí, definitivamente es una carrera.
So, aside from having very little suction to begin with, not being good for pet hair, and getting clogged almost the instant you start using it, this happened pretty much the day the warranty expired. So that snapped. There's supposed to be two little plastic pieces. Where'd they go? Here and here that keep it from catching on the rugs. Both broke too. Cheap expletive, Chinese piece of expletive. Yeah, do not recommend. Suction, terrible. Pet hair control, terrible. And yeah, plan on it breaking the second that you need it.
I just purchased this vacuum, and now it's not working. I've only used it once. The outlet is plugged in. The outlet works. Not working. It's clean.
It can suck up ice from the falcon and it doesn't get stuck in the pipe.